Hello, hello, my friends. It's Nicole in the kitchen. I'm about to make some salmon. It's my ingredients in here. I put some dry seasoning. I had to put some season to the bone and just salt and pepper for right now. I'm gonna fry it in okay. My oil. I'm gonna put it in the pot right now. First, that's what I do. So if it don't stick to the bottom. When you do this, it doesn't stick to the bottom. I want it to stick. Pieces to do. When it's all fried, I'll show you guys. Okay guys, look, it's already fried. So now this butter, I put 1 stick of butter, like about 1/4 cup of water. Now I'm gonna put some coconut milk. Grace coconut milk. And put in some curry. Curry, you put the amount what you want in there. I put a little bit at a time. You gotta make it cook. And you just pour it in there and then, you know, put the salmon in there. You gotta let it cook a little. It's curry. You don't want it to mess up your stomach. Then I'm gonna put all this in there. We'll make this cook a little, so I'll come back. Okay, now I'm gonna put the salmon in. And then I have these to go in there. Turn the stove down a little, because this is the time it gets simmer down in there. Simmer down, simmer down, simmer down, simmer down. Okay, everything now is in there. I put a little cauliflower, broccoli, and carrots in there too. And I add more coconut milk. So I'm gonna let it sit for like about 10 minutes. And then it'll be all done. Okay guys, look at it, all done. And you can put some breadcrumbs in there to make the gravy, or the Jamaican way, mix up some flour and pour it in there. That works. It works for me. There you go. Just waiting on my rice and gungo. There you go. There you go. Curry salmon. All right. I'll see you guys later.